Hey guys, welcome back. Today's quick tutorial is going to be on the app called Stop Motion. Stop Motion is kind of like claymation. We'll probably call it stop motion, but basically it's taking a bunch of small pictures and meshing them together to make a really cool movie. So for example, I might take a picture of a little character and then I might move him and take another picture, then I'll move him a little more and take another picture, and then it meshes it all together and makes a really cool movie. So basically this is kind of a filmmaking app. So the stop motion app is at the bottom of my screen. It's that blue button with the camera. It's a free app called Stop Motion. I'll click on it. It brings you up here. There's no login. These are all the projects I've ever made. So I'm going to show you some really cool basic features of the app, and then we'll get more in depth later. So if I want to go to a new movie, at the top left hand of my screen, it says New Movie, plus button, New Movie. Okay, I'll show you all the features here. So let's start at the right hand side. Do you see that red button? That's the camera. That's the important one. You got to be able to take pictures. So I'm just clicking it. I'm going to move my screen a little. I'll take pictures. I'll move it this way, okay? So I'm taking pictures. Okay, so now the button above it, that looks like a little Pac-Man one. This one is a timer. Sometimes you don't want to have to put your iPad down and readjust your scene or your characters. You just want to have a timer automatically take pictures. So right now it's going to take it every 2 seconds. Let's see what happens. Every 2 seconds. There's one. 2 more seconds. Another. 2 more seconds. And another. So that's a cool feature. I'll just click it to stop it. Okay. Right below it is that little triangle. That's a play button. Let's see what we have so far. Okay, so there's my movie. Okay, it's going really fast. Okay, so now let's go to the bottom of the screen. Do you see that little microphone? That's where we can add voice. So I'll click on that. And it allows us to record our voice. So if you wanted to say something like have characters talking, you could do that. Don't worry about the plus button. This is a free version, so we can't actually use anything in here. So don't worry about the plus button. The gear, look at that gear next to it. This one allows you to make your movie go really fast or really slow. Look at this one. It's going 17 frames per second. So that means it's going to go 17 little images per second. That's why it's so fast. It's like, it's way too fast. So I'll go back to the gear and I'm going to slow it down a little bit. I'm going to say, let's go 3 frames per second. Maybe that's too slow, but we'll see. And you can just slide, you can just kind of move around on your images right there. I'll click play. That's a lot better. That's a lot slower. So whatever you like. I'll go back into the gear. I think that's about it for us there. Yep. Okay, and so guys, that's about it. Basically, you're taking pictures. You've got your auto camera who can take them for you. You can make it faster or slower. You can add voice to it. Here's how you save it. Look at the left-hand side of my screen, that little caret or that little triangle-looking guy. I'm going to click on it, and it goes back to my home page. That is how you save. This is everything I've done. If I want to, you don't have to be done right away. If I want to go back in and edit it, I just click it. And there you go. I'm back in there. I've got to show you one more thing. So when you click on an individual picture, you see that how that picture is highlighted blue? I'll click on it, and maybe I don't want it. I'll click delete. It's gone. I'll click on this one. I think you can copy it. So look right here, copy. And then if I click it again and click paste, I made another one. So maybe I wanted the same picture a couple times. I don't have to take that same picture a couple times. I can just copy and paste it. So when you click on the actual picture, you have a few more options there. Okay, guys, so that's stop motion. There's your basic features. Basically, you're taking a bunch of still pictures and meshing them together to make a really cool movie. All right, good luck, guys.